Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your new smartwatch display. First, confirm your smartwatch has at least 80% battery charge, ensuring no interruptions during setup. Next, locate and install the correct companion application from your phone's app store, searching by your watch model name. Finally, open your phone's settings and verify that Bluetooth is turned on and ready for pairing, typically indicated by a small blue icon. Now, open the companion application on your smartphone. It will likely guide you to a Pair New Device option. Allow the app a few moments, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, to scan for nearby smartwatches. When your watch appears, tap its name to select it. A short, 6-digit pairing code will then appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm it matches to finalize the secure Bluetooth connection. Once paired, your phone's app should display a confirmation message, often a simple green checkmark. Your watch will then begin its initial data synchronization, transferring vital information like time and date. This process usually takes about 1 minute, but can extend to 2 minutes for larger data sets. After syncing, you can set preferences, like choosing between a 12-hour or 24-hour time format. With your watch connected, you can now personalize its display. Navigate to the Watch Faces section within the companion application. Here, you'll find hundreds of designs, from minimalist to highly detailed, allowing you to choose one that perfectly matches your style. You can also customize widgets, displaying essential information such as today's temperature in degrees Celsius or your daily step count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.